Good morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter 10 of NCERT, that is practical geometry. And in R.S. Agrawal, chapter number 70, that is construction. Means in NCERT, chapter number 10, construction, practical geometry, and in R.S. Agrawal, chapter number 17, construction. Clear? In this chapter, we will learn how we can make parallel line with the help of compass, protractor. Clear? It is a compass. Clear? And it is a protractor. Okay? And it is a scale. Clear? Now, after that, we will see in exercise 10.1. First question. Clear? 3 question is given. Clear? Only one question I will explain and other question you can do because that is same. And in chapter number 17 also there some question is same. So whatever is same question that you can do. Whatever is different that I will explain. Clear? Now exercise 10.1, first question is draw a line, say AB, take a point C, outside it through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. Clear? See, in practical geometry, figure you will make, after that a step of construction also you will write. Clear? Whatever you have done in the construction, that you will write step of construction. Clear? In the first question, clear? In first question, draw a line, say AB, means draw a line. So using scale, we will make one line. If you will use scale, you can make a straight line. Clear? Draw a line AB like this. AB. Distance is not given, only saying a draw line. Same. A step of construction also we will write. I am telling you how you will write step of construction. Okay? So first point, what you will write? First point means what you have done firstly. Draw a line AB. Here, first we will write draw a line AB. Whatever you have done, that much only you will write. Clear? So draw a line AB. Second, we will read the question. Take a point C outside it. Take a point C outside it. Clear? So take a point C. Take a point C. Suppose that you have taken here. C outside. Clear? Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass. Clear? See, we have taken outside point C. So one more point we will take on AB. Suppose that we have taken D, CD. Clear? After that, join CD. First we have done dry line AB. Second, take a point C outside and take a point D on AB. Clear? Then join CD. So next point what you will write? What we will write? Take any point C. Take any point D on AB and a point C outside AB and join CD. Clear? So we will write second. Take. Clear? Take any point D. Take any point means take any point. You can take D, E, F, G. No problem is there. Clear? So we have taken D. That's why we are writing here D. Clear? Take any point D on AB. Clear? Take any point on AB and a point. Clear? And a point outside AB and outside AB point. Which point we have taken? C. Take a point C outside AB. Clear? Join CD. Clear? Take any point D on AB. We have taken D and a point C outside AB. Point C outside AB. Join CD. CD. Join CD. JOIN. Join CD. Clear? Third step. Draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass. Clear? After that, with D as a center, and any radius, draw an arc to cut AB and take. Clear? Take with D as a center, take any radius, cut one arc. See, like this. Means you will take your compass with D as a center, take any radius, make one arc. Clear? Right, name them. Clear? Here we have written F. This cut and this cut is G. Clear? Okay? Clear? The third point we will write with D as a center, and any radius. Clear? Draw with D as a drawn an arc to cut what? AB. Cut AB to cut AB at which point? G point. AB at G and CD which point we will take? F point. Clear? And CD at F. Clear? Means with D as a center and any radius drawn an arc to cut AB, means AB line at G and CD line cut at F. Okay? Now next step, with C as a center. Clear? With C as a center. With C as a center. With C as a center. Same process. Whatever you have done here, that process you will be following. After that, take any radius. Here, take any radius and make one arc like this. Clear? Okay? Clear? With C as a center and any radius draw an arc. With C as a center and same radius, draw an arc. Where? Here, write name them. Name I J. We can write name. Clear? I J. After that, to cut AB, whatever distance is there from F to G, that radius you will measure from compass. Clear? From compass you will measure between F and G radius. Same radius from I as a center, then you will cut R IJ at which point? K. This point name is K. What? Clear? Then after that we will join this C and K. Join CK. Clear? This line name also we will take. Clear? Line L and line M. Clear? So step 4 we will write. Step 4 what we will write? With C as a center. Clear? With C as a center and same radius, draw an arc IJ to cut AB, CD or I. Clear? Means with C as a center and same radius. Clear? Same radius draw. Same radius draw an arc IJ means C. C as a center. Same radius means whatever radius you have taken here, means that time when you have taken D as a center, so whatever radius you have taken here, that radius you will take. Clear? The same radius means whatever radius you have taken from D, that much radius from C you will take and draw I. Clear? Clear to everyone? After that, from your compass, you will keep tip of the compass G and tip of the pencil we will keep at F. Clear? So whatever radius is here, whatever measurement is here, that measurement we will take from compass, and same radius from I we will cut at K. Clear? Then we will join CK. Clear? Means step number 5. Clear? Step number 5 we will write, place the point tip place the point tip. So which tip? Place the point tip of the compass at the compass and G. Place the point tip of the compass at G and adjust the opening so that the pencil place the point tip of the compass at G, means here, and adjust the opening so that the pencil tip is at where? F. Clear? Place the point tip of the compass at G. Clear? Means compass tip we will put here at G and adjust the opening. This is like this. Clear? Then we will keep here tip of the compass and opening, adjust the opening so that the pencil tip is at F. Clear? So we will measure this from F to G. Clear? How much radius is there? This much radius is there. Clear? The step C, with the same opening clear, with the same opening as in step 5. Clear? As in step 5 and with G. Clear? With I. Clear? In step 5 with I as the center, draw an arc Clear? Draw an arc, cutting the arc here, where? ij, on ij at yet, at k, on ij at k means with the same opening, whatever opening is here, same opening, step 5 with I, means with I as a center, draw an arc cutting the arc ij at k. Clear? Like this we will cut. Clear? So this arc we will get point is k. Clear? Now 7 number step we will write. Clear? Now join. Clear? Now join. What we will join? CK. Now join CK to CK to draw a line. Which line? LAM. Clear? Once more I am telling you. In the question is telling to draw a line, say AB. To draw a line, say AB. The first point I told you, to draw a line AB. Clear? Second point, take any point D on AB. So take any point D on AB and a point C outside AB. Join CD. Clear? Join CD. Third step, with D as a center and any radius draw an arc. Means with D as a center. Clear? With D as a center and any radius draw an arc to cut AB at G and CD at F. Clear? Means this arc we have made. So on AB cut point is G, on CD cut point is F. Clear? Step number 4, with C as a center and same radius draw an arc IJ. Clear? Okay? Means whatever distance we have taken from D, that distance we will take from C and we will make IJ like FG. Clear to you? Fifth number, place the point tip of the compass at G. Clear? And adjust the opening so that the pencil tip is at F. Clear to you? Same 6 number, with the same opening as in step 5 with I. I point is here. As a center, draw an arc cutting the arc IJ. Means here we have cut this. Then now join CK to draw a line in LA. So we will draw a line. Join CK. Clear? On LA. Okay? Note down this. So this type parallel line we will make when between AB and LM line, if any distance is not given, and asking the line make a parallel line AB to LM. That type question if asking without means to draw a line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point. If this type question is asking, so we will make like this type construction we will do. Clear? But if given distance between two lines, to make to draw a line parallel to a given line at a given distance. Clear? When suppose the question number 2 we can see कि draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X draw a line parallel M parallel to L. So this figure only we will say. Clear? I will tell you figure, but construction you can write. See, like this you will write construction. Figure, then step of construction like this you will write on the copy. Clear? Question number 2. Draw a line L, draw perpendicular to L, any point on L on this perpendicular. Choose a point X, 4 centimeter. Exercise 10.a first question I told you. The in 17a exercise first question that is same. You can do like that in R.S. Agarwal. The question number 2 10.1 is given, and in question number 2 in R.S. Agarwal that is same process. The one I am telling you, second you can do. Clear? And third one is like question number 2. Clear? In both. The one more question I am telling you. Question number 2 I am telling you from exercise 17a R.S. Agarwal. Draw a line AB and draw another line CD parallel to AB at a distance of 3.5 cm from it. और in R.S. Agarwal second question is telling कि draw a line L, draw perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from L. Through X draw a line M parallel to L. Very easy question. Clear? So draw a line L. Clear? So draw a line L. Clear? Perpendicular means 90 degree. Clear? So take any point X on it. On L we can take any point X. Clear? So 90 degree. First of all, we will make 90 degree on X. Clear? Any radius we can take from both sides. Clear? We can write name C D. Okay? From C, one arc is here. Clear? And from D, one arc is here. Okay? After that, same radius, one cut here and one cut here. Clear to you? Then join this. Okay, this name is E F G. Okay, on this perpendicular choose a point S. Here the point S is here 4 cm away from here. Clear? So from L point is here. Clear? So from X we will take radius from scale 4 cm. 4 cm from 0 to 4 you will measure. Clear? From scale. Then keep your tip on X, and wherever is coming 4 cm, there you will cut 1 arc. Clear? 1 arc you will make. Clear? After that, make a line like this. Like this you will make a line and give name EM. Here and here we can write Y and write the distance between this between L and M 4 cm. Clear? It is a distance 4 cm. This arc is 4 cm. Clear? So step of construction you can write. First step, draw a line L. Clear? First step. Second point, take a X point on L. Clear? With X as the center, make a arc. With X as the center, any radius take and make a arc CD. Clear? With the same radius from C, one cut on CD at F, and from D at E. Clear? After that, from F, one cut on G, and same radius one cut from E on G. Clear? Then join the X1. Clear? So it is a perpendicular line because it is 90 degree. Clear? This angle Y we have made. It is a 90 degree angle. Clear? Then question is telling you make away from L 4 centimeter. The 4 centimeter distance we have taken from scale and make a Y and join M. Clear? So that is complete. Okay, the step of construction you can write. So this exercise is complete. Exercise 10.1 and exercise 17. Next 10.2 exercise I will explain in next video. Okay, thank you student.